I've almost been living here for a year. I've never been to New Road, so that's where I'm going now. I'm currently walking to Taman and Asan to try and get to New Road and have a look at how New Road is. So Google Maps told me it is down this street, so fingers crossed I'm not getting lost. Okay, we're getting to the little square where you would normally buy the scarves, or where I would normally buy my scarves. I might have a look. For me to get some lassi. If that is here. I think it's here. I might be wrong. No, it's not. Sorry. Yeah, there it is. I'm gonna have a look if there's another nice scarf for me. Sorry for that sound. That was just something that fell behind me. Wasn't me though. Namaste. I'll have a look.
No new road idea.
Anything. Namaste. Just having a look. Thank you. Like, I must be so confusing to people because I kind of have like that, you know, Nepali like hat thing that you do when you say yes. Hannah, thank you. No, thank you. But I kind of use like a variant when I say no, so it must be really confusing for people. I'm not necessarily seeing anything I haven't seen before, but I'm like, oh my god, that's so nice. Namaste. Okay, I'm just gonna try and cross before I just, I don't know, before I die in traffic in Monday. There's a recipe. Wow, look at this. Girls behind me told me to go, so I pushed him in the back, so I'm going. Okay, I'm gonna have a lassi. Okay, so I've just paid for my entrance to the Grrr Square here in Kathmandu. I think it's just right. Like normally people from my husband's work can get in for free because they pay taxes in Nepal here, which is quite a lot. So normally with like the badge you can come in for free, but I want to pay at least once just to make sure that everything here is well preserved. Hannah, thank you. No thank you, Hannah. No thank you. I honestly have no idea how to say no any other way, so I just say Hannah. Okay now. Oh, look at all those pigeons and the little street there. I literally have not been here on Kathmandu Grrr Square since 2019, I think, when we last visited, or yeah, 19. And yeah, it is not changed. The funny thing was though that at the tourist office, the man that was trying to pick up tourists for tours, he was the same guide we had at when we first came. I mean, he was nice. He just he was actually quite nice, quite good. I was just a bit annoyed that at the end of the tour he tried to take us to this mandala shop where we literally had to like sit and listen to it there, talk about mandalas for 20 minutes and then tell us one. So I guess that's the way they earn me. Although at the time he did earn quite a lot of money from us. Well, we gave him I think 1,500, but in his book there were like people who gave him like 5,000 rupees for an hour tour. So it has been raining for a few days now. It's also the reason why I didn't go to Bhaktapur. First of all, because I was like, it's gonna be so busy, and I saw pictures of like 10,000 people being on the square in Bhaktapur, so I was like very happy I didn't go to Bhaktapur. But also, it was raining, and I kind of woke up with tonsillitis in that morning. So basically, my tonsils were inflamed, which is why I have like quite a cough now. I had like 2 cough attacks in the taxi on the way here, and I was like, oh my god, the taxi was going to throw me out because he thinks I've got COVID. But he didn't. But it was just like brought on by the pollution, because on the road there was so much like dust being kicked up. But yeah, so that's why I didn't go to Bhaktapur. So I'm gonna have to go next year. I think that's where she said I had to go to get the thing put into my passport. But I did make some progress on this one because that was not built at all when we last came. Like that was just like a heap of stone, I remember. I think I saw a picture of that even. And the house of the Kumari is closed. Okay, let's try and have a look if I can get this in my passport. Okay, so I actually had to come here to get my my ticket prolonged. See, that also happens when you get tonsillitis. You just get like these, like you have to scrape your throat the whole time. Anyway. Okay, is that a big water? I think it's that way. Okay, we're almost there. God, my throat. Should drink something. Anyway, it's really clean here. It's a bit like being in Bhaktapur. Like I love Bhaktapur just because it's so incredibly clean. So I think New Road is from this to the gate there. Okay, New Road is busy AF. But there's like, it's really good to know that there's a lot of phone shops, coffee old shops, because people know how Hindus like money they put in gold, or IPOs at the moment that they have. Okay, welcome. There's some camera gear which is making me very happy. So I was literally like looking at where can I put my camera, and I had, you know, like the only place that in my head I could find my camera was at the Canon store. But obviously all these small shops also have cameras, but it's just hard to know because they don't actually have like online presence, or like you can just message them on Facebook, but that's it. Okay. I'm just gonna go down here because it's a bit more what I was expecting. Like I knew that New Road was a busy street, but everyone was like, oh, I love it there so much, and you can buy so many clothes there. But I think this is what they mean when they say new road, not new road, new road, the road itself, but the little streets in between. But I mean, let's be honest, not that I will actually find something in my size here, so. I also have to look out for I also have to look out Okay, I've been here before though. Definitely have. I think I've been here in a movie I made about going to Asan to buy my scarf. I think. Ungun. They also had those in Dubai, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Or I might be mistaken, but and I'm back on New Road. I'm gonna try and find a cab back home because all of this has taken so much longer than I thought it would. Like, I left at 2 and it's now 5 and my friends went to get cocktails an hour ago and I'm still not there. It's gonna take half an hour to get there. So okay, so I just realized that I completely forgot to do my outro. Very sorry for that. Anyway, so New Road was interesting. I would say that still, like, the area around Asan is my favorite, and I think actually, like, when my friends talk about New Road, we're talking about the same stuff. Yeah, I think for my next video I will go and do finally the 4 Ashok temples here in Lalitpur. And until then, please do like and subscribe and share this video with other people who think might like an insight into Nepal. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.